quickly, basically covering of what we do. We primarily do everything around videos. Currently, about 82% of the internet consumption is videos, and we only see that going up and up from here onwards. And with the I don't have the ticker with me, sorry. And specifically the white space in a certain way that we figured was around languages, right? With the next 500 million Indian users on the way, getting onto the internet with what Geo has done and how the internet adoption is increasing. But the supply of content on the internet is still in English is what we felt, and that's where we saw the gap during COVID. And we thought that how do we fill that gap of languages with AI, with generative AI, and to be able to do more and more with the current content that already exists. That's where we came about with the concept and with the idea of Dubeverse. And we thought the fastest way to go to the market or to create this impact is through creators. We already see a lot of effort and a lot of movement from big players like the government or YouTube for that matter, where everybody is pushing for a lot of vernacular content because the demand is already on the internet, the supply is a problem, and that supply can be solved with technology and with AI. That's where we present to you the solution, Dubeverse. So everything to do with videos, languages, and creators is where we are based. And we work with creators across the board, India and globally. Now talking about what the problem statement in a certain way look like. So that's the current process. If you have to go really and dub something in today's time, it's time consuming, expensive, multi-party effort, and you have to redo the whole cycle for every language in a certain way that you want to go on to. So this is completely impossible for any and every video to be done. Obviously dubbing has existed since forever, movies have been dubbed since forever, but this is something not possible for the usual content that we see, educational content that we see, or anything that's being created on the internet in today's time. So it's as easy as Canva. Any video, anybody with easy detailing can experience. It's a self-serve platform that we've created where you can come upload a video through all these video banks, YouTube, Vimeo, Google Drive, and then sort of convert them across 30 plus languages at a click of a button. Now what happens with dubbing is that usually, this was the disclaimer, usually what happens is that the identity of the influencer in a certain way is taken away when we do dubbing because their voice is replaced with a different voice altogether because they can't speak multiple languages. But with technology is something that's really possible, and with the possibilities of AI, we can retain the influencer's personality into a different language as well. So I'll quickly play this for you.
Volume, please.
Increase the volume. Can you put the mic to the speaker? Some things technology can't solve.
It's giving the feel of All India Radio.
It is, yes.
Anything? कुछ हो सकता है?
हाँ वो आपके पास माइक होगा ना, माइक लगा दो स्पीकर पे. अच्छा इको आएगा. So basically what I have here is PM Modi speaking in 10 different Indian languages in his voice, in his tonality, how he speaks to the people of the nation. But I can't play it for all of you.
We trust you, Anuja.
Thanks. I can show this offline. I can send it to you. This is live on our YouTube as well. If you want to go check it out, that's also possible. But for now, we'll move on. And obviously, when it comes to languages, what we definitely see is where Shuddh Hindi is something which is not really acceptable in today's world, right? So we have to make it more conversational, more contextual. So that's what we are able to do with the power of GPT, introducing that into our translation systems and giving out more colloquial, more conversational translations from that standpoint. So that's the platform. We do video dubbing that I've spoken about a lot. We also realized on the way that there's a lot more that the same technology in a certain way can do for the same people that we are targeting, the creators. That's where we also do subtitling, we also do TTS, and the voice cloning part is what we call as NeoDub. Talking of market, just a time check maybe quickly.
We're done with 4 minutes.
Okay, so. We can go next then. I'm sorry. I have a quick demo, but the audio won't play, so that's okay.
Let's see. No. No.
I have a demo. So basically converting from different, that's the platform in a certain way that we have. You can very easily bring in any video. We support 30 plus languages, India and global. And then this is more of the audio part, but we can skip it. We can just move to the next slide, and that's the last one.
Next one. No, you cancel.
Yes. So that's who we are in a certain way. We work with a lot of creators, brands, and partnership. We're already live from a platform standpoint. If you want to go check it out, it's a very simple video upload in and out. It's a freemium version that we have, so anybody can go check it out. I heard a L&D question before this. I think that's where it exactly fits in. We work with a lot of bigger companies to sort of vernacular their L&D content, because the employees that these bigger companies have do not always speak English. So that's the language barrier that we are trying to break with the technology. That's all from my side.
Thank you, Anuja. Very impressive. Thank you. Thank you. Unfortunately, we ran